Welcome to SRE Statconsultancy Services. Are you curious about pursuing a career in statistics? Whether you're from a statistics background or exploring it as a fresh field, this video will guide you through the booming career opportunities in 2025 and how you can excel in this data-driven world. Hello and welcome, I'm Ajinkya. Today, I'll share insights into the exciting field of statistics, explain why 2025 is a great time to enter this profession, and show you how you can make your mark, whether you have a statistics background or not. Let's get started. In 2025, statistics is at the heart of almost every industry. With advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics, the demand for statisticians is skyrocketing. Let me give you some examples. In healthcare, statisticians design clinical trials and analyze patient data to develop life-saving treatments. In finance, they assess risks and create predictive models. And in technology, they work on optimizing algorithms and improving user experiences. Companies know the value of data and they need experts to interpret it. This is where you come in. According to industry reports, data-related jobs have grown by 30% in the past 5 years, and this trend is only accelerating. To build a successful career in statistics, here are the key skills you need to develop. Technical skills. Learn tools like SAS, R, Python, and SQL for data analysis. Get comfortable with machine learning concepts and predictive modeling. Analytical thinking statistics is about solving problems. Develop critical thinking to interpret data and draw meaningful insights. Domain knowledge. Whether it's healthcare, marketing, or technology, understanding the industry you work in is crucial. Soft skills. Communication is key. You'll need to explain complex data insights to non-technical audiences. At SRE Statconsultancy, we offer internship programs and workshops to help students master these skills. Check out the details in the description below. Now, let's talk about career paths. If you have a statistics background, roles like biostatistician, data scientist, and actuarial analyst might be a natural fit. If you come from a non-statistics background, don't worry. With certifications and hands-on experience, you can enter roles like data analyst, business analyst, or even a clinical data manager. Our programs are designed to bridge the gap for non-statistics students. We focus on practical skills and real-world applications to help you transition smoothly into this field. So, what's your next step? Start by building your skills. Explore online courses, attend workshops, and don't forget to check out the opportunities we offer at SRE Statconsultancy Services. Whether you're a statistics student or someone starting fresh, this field has something for everyone. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and career guidance. Let's make your dream career a reality.